Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on restricted mode on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll down until you see Content Preferences. Once you're on here, you should see Restricted Mode, so you just want to tap on that, and this will just let you know limit content that may not be comfortable for all audiences. If you find content that makes you uncomfortable while in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. Turn the setting on and off at any time. So if you're happy with that, just select turn on. Then it'll ask you to put in a passcode, and obviously confirm the passcode. Then just select set at the bottom, and that'll turn on restricted mode for you. Thanks for watching.